Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Donelle. I haven't did a video since early December for the 12 days of Christmas because we adopted 2 rescued dogs and that desperately needed a home, and I have been very busy. And I'm very late to doing the January Maniology Mani by Me subscription box, but here we are. All right, so it looks like, yeah, Coquette. So there's the little description if you want to read that. It's January's Coquette Mani by Me box. And it says there's the 2 plates, 2 polishes. So there's the 2 exclusive plates to the subscribers, and then 2 early release polishes, and then there's going to be a bonus. So let's see what we got. And then here's like a little sample card, ma chérie. And then on the back of that, it gives you a step-by-step directions on how to do it. So let's see what we have. Always got to get this sticker. I don't have this one. It must be new. I love it. Dare to Design. That is super cute. I like that. All right, so these are some, this is the bonus gift. It's 3D color changing heart nail decals. They shift from clear to pink to red under UV light, adding an enchanting interactive element to your Coquette inspired nails. Cute, but highly unlikely I would use these. I'm not sure. Silk and Satin P174. It's a baby pink regular nail polish with a pearl finish that's as soft and delicate as lace ribbon. It's a very soft pink. The other one is a red. It's called Pout B539, and it is described as a bright red stamping polish with a creamy finish, perfect for bold romantic accents. So let's see what this one looks like. Oh no. Well, this would not be a video without me doing that, so. All right, let's get both of these off and then I'll hold them up for your viewing pleasure. All right, so we have Maniology MXM 143, and let's see what the card says. Brings the coquette vibe to life with dainty bows, pearls, ornate mirrors, lacy details, and sweet motifs like cherries and tiny bunnies. It's really cute. And then the other one is MXM 144. And this says, turns up the charm with full nail patterns of vintage florals, lacy details, and classic gingham alongside delicate ribbons and strawberries. And then it says, these designs make it easy to create intricate layered looks that channel the softness and elegance of the Coquette trend. The strawberries, I really like the strawberries. Those are super cute. So there we go. And I'm gonna give this a second coat. I was gonna do a second coat anyway, but since I smudged it, do a little bit thicker over there to kind of cover up that boo-boo. There we go. Let's do a second. This. I really like soft pinks. So this is a good one. All right, I'm gonna use one of these full cover designs. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do this. Beautiful pickup and stamp. Yeah, that was really nice. Okay. I do want to kind of just see what these look like. It's not a sealing bag, so I have to actually open it. Guess so. Well, I want to say, oh, that's a defective one. Of course, the only one I pull out and it's defective. Let's try another one. These are super cute though. So I'm just gonna pop this in while I'm holding it. Oh yeah, you see? It's kind of a pinkish purple now. I'm gonna do it for longer in the UV lamp. Oh yeah. This is the very late, for me, January Maniology Mani by Me subscription. It's their Coquette Valentines look, and this is what I came up with. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.